In this lesson, I want to quickly show you how to edit this message at the very top. Let's say you wanted to change what it's saying right here. So you go to the back end, you go to System, and then you go to Site Modules, and then this is where you see the top bar, the carousel. So I'm going to click on this. This is going to allow you to change the messages that you see there. So to do that, you can click on Edit with Front End Editor. And then once you do, you click on that empty spot. Now it's going to show you all the different messages. So if you wanted to change the wording for these, you can come and click to edit. Instead of saying save 20%, you can put in save 50% or whatever. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can add more or you can remove the ones that you don't need. So as you scroll through this, it shows you all the different messages that's on the back end.